Hey guys, I am Benjamin, co-founder at DearFlow. I'm a software engineer myself and recently... Oh shit, my hair. Hey guys, I am Benjamin, co-founder at DearFlow. I'm a software engineer myself and recently there's been many discussions about the concept of vibe coding. I myself save an enormous amount of hours every week just by using AI to write code for me. Well, DearFlow did the same for your email inbox. Vibe emailing. It's a perfect solution for your messy inbox. It reads all your emails, prioritizes which ones are most important, thinks about potential actions you would want to take, and suggests them to you. You only have to approve, and that's it. Let's say someone asks to reschedule a meeting. DearFlow reads the email, checks your calendars for availabilities, and automatically drafts a reply. You can just tweak it or simply hit send. Or let's say you want to start organizing your files better. You can ask DearFlow to look out for files that are important to you, for example invoices, and it will help you store and organize them in your drive. It will detect emails that you almost always skip and suggest unsubscriptions for you. We also solve the problem of drowning in cold outreach and newsletters. DearFlow scans your unread emails and batches them together as learning material for a quiet moment, or for you to batch clean them up by marking them all as read, for example, with just one click. Generally speaking, DearFlow is here for your peace of mind. So you don't have to keep track of all conversations anymore that are happening at the same time. DearFlow will suggest follow-ups, and if you tell it that something is too early to do, it will bring it back to your attention later. That all sounds brilliant, but the best is yet to come. DearFlow can be hyper-personalized and become smarter the longer you use it. Everything it learns about you lives in your knowledge section. Your preferences as to how to write emails or how to handle certain emails, the people in your network, and who matters the most. Of course, you can connect multiple email inboxes into one account and then monitor them all at the same time. Give it a try now and join 500 version 1 users. You deserve an inbox that works for you, not the other way around. See you in the tool.